Weather vocabulary. Sunny, meaning bright with sunshine. For example, it's a sunny day, let's go outside. Rainy, meaning full of rain. For example, I forgot my umbrella on this rainy day. Stormy, meaning with strong wind and rain. For example, the sea was very stormy last night. Foggy, meaning full of thick fog. For example, it's hard to drive on a foggy morning. Cloudy, meaning covered with clouds. For example, the sky looks cloudy, it might rain soon. Snowy, meaning covered with snow. For example, we built a snowman on a snowy day. Windy, meaning full of strong wind. For example, it's too windy to go cycling today. Hot, meaning high temperature. For example, it's really hot this afternoon. Cold, meaning low temperature. For example, the water is too cold to swim. Humid, meaning hot and wet air. For example, the weather in Malaysia is very humid. Drought, meaning long time without rain. For example, the farmers are suffering because of the drought. Rainbow, meaning colored arc after rain. For example, a rainbow appeared after the rain stopped. Thunder, meaning loud sound after lightning. For example, I heard loud thunder last night. Lightning, meaning flash of light in the sky. For example, don't go outside during lightning. Drizzle, meaning light rain. For example, it's just drizzling, no need for an umbrella. Overcast, meaning cloudy sky, no sunshine. For example, the sky is overcast, it might rain soon. Flood, meaning too much water covering land. For example, many houses were destroyed by the flood. Heat wave, meaning a long period of very hot weather. For example, the city is suffering from a heat wave this week. Landslide, meaning when rocks and soil slide down a hill. For example, a landslide blocked the road after heavy rain. Like this video? Then why not follow? Thanks for watching. Stay with us and keep learning more.